morning, guys, and welcome to another self care Sunday in my life. Today is 9th of June, and I have finally decided to film another self care Sunday vlog for you all because you people seem to love my vlogs a lot, and I love that. Although I don't do much in my vlogs, like nothing very interesting, but you still love the homely vibe I give you people, and I'm really thankful for that. So, today is another Sunday morning. It's currently 8 a.m. or something, and I have been waking up pretty late on my weekends because I don't know, I'm into that zone these days because of the summer and heat. I don't prefer waking up really early, at least on my weekends. So yeah, I woke up like half an hour ago. I did my some of the morning rituals, and now I'm here in my kitchen again to make my coffee. And we have new coffee in the house. Here's this Amazon package that I received 2 days back, and I did not open it because I thought कि vlog में ही खोलेंगे. So I have finally ordered this coffee from Bevzilla that comes in various assorted flavors like vanilla and pineapple, no, vanilla, hazelnut, butterscotch, and classic. Like there are four assorted flavors to it. And there have been, I think, a few people, like 2 to 3 people, who have suggested me to have this coffee, and they've told me, like, if you are such a coffee lover, how come you haven't ever tried this coffee in particular? It's so yummy. Please do try, especially the cold coffee and everything. And this actually comes in like sachets, as you may see. So there's this hazelnut one, I think, yeah, and then there are classic ones, the vanilla ones, and then the butterscotch ones. So I think it's a pack of 48 sachet packs, and it was for some 250 rupees or something. I don't remember the exact price. I got it from Amazon. So I'm really excited to try one of these coffee today. I think I'm in a mood of trying out butterscotch today. I don't know why I'm feeling like having butterscotch. And also I'm gonna make my today's coffee in a blender and not like direct iced coffee or something. I'm just gonna pour in everything into my blender and then blend it. I just want to have something very thick today. I'm in a mood of having a thick coffee while reading my new fictional book that I'll share with you guys super soon. So yeah, let's just make our coffee now. I'm scared that I don't go addictive on this particular brand, and you know, the flavors and everything. So yeah. I can be the one you love. Hi guys, I just got done reading my book, which is titled as How to Kill Your Family. Now please don't go on this title. This is something I got on the recommendation of this one creator that I follow. Her name is Anam Chashmawala, and she's a beauty and lifestyle creator. I don't know if you guys already know her. So she told in one of her videos that this is actually a really good funny book because it has dark comedy inside. I have just read first chapter of it. I just got done reading my first chapter wherein she kills her grandparents. And yeah, she's actually a granddaughter who is really really upset and angry over her entire family because they never accepted her as a granddaughter and they've mistreated her in the past. So now she's gonna take the revenge, and yeah, she's killing every family member one by one. So she just killed her grandparents in this first chapter, and I don't know, I'm just liking the book but I'm not enjoying it so much. But I still prefer it reading during my coffee time, because during my coffee time I anyway prefer having something fictional channel if I'm not in my work mode a lot. So yeah, that's about my new book. Right now I'm about to make my breakfast. In my breakfast I'm gonna make these two things, and both of these things recipes are from Instagram, because lately I've been watching a lot of Instagram food side. I mean, I've been watching a lot of food creators, and you know how they try out and make really healthy, yummy, yummylicious recipes. So I'm gonna make this chickpea salad. I have made like enough chickpea salads in the past as well, but this one's feeling even more intriguing to me, so I'm gonna try that out. And along with that, I'm gonna make some mango drink, because mango is in season, so I just want to make the most out of the mango this time. So yeah, this is what we are gonna make for our breakfast today. And yeah, let's just head into our kitchen and make our breakfast now.
I could be the one you love, but I'm so goddamn tired of why'd you have to leave me all alone? Yeah, I should've known.
Guys, it's so freaking hot. I was working in my kitchen all this while without any air, without any AC, any fan, and I just turned on my AC, and I am relaxed and relieved that I have something to look forward to, something cold, chilled, and nice. Hmm. It has turned out pretty nice. Like, it's a mix of coconut water and mango, and the fusion of both great flavors obviously would make something yummy. It's quite refreshing. And onto our salad next. I haven't tasted it yet. Wait. मैंने इतने सारे सैलड्स अभी तक बना के ट्राई कर लिए हैं, मुझे एक का भी फ्लेवर याद नहीं है, बट आई रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम आई मेड दैट fried soybean one that turned out really great. अच्छा है, थोड़ा खट्टा है, बिकॉज दही खट्टा होगा मे बी. I'm starving literally, so I'm just gonna finish having it, and my mango smoothie, everything, like both of these, in just 5 minutes max. I'm really hungry. I just broke my glass straw. Can you just see, like, there are these two tiny pieces, and yeah, it has been broken from the bottom. I was just picking it up to have it in my basin to clean it, to wash it, and this happened. And I'm so mad at myself, because this is literally the third item in the row, like glass item in the row, that I have broken in past 2 weeks. I'm so mad. Like, I first broke my candle the scented candle, and then there was my beloved sipper from Instacuppa. I used to love my sipper so much. I used to drink from it all the time, like drink water from it all the time. And then this glass straw went next, the third. And I also want to show you this one thing, like I wanted to show you like from the very beginning to spread a little awareness, and in order to do that I did not get rid of the boxes pehle. I just kept saving them. So मैंने जो भी glass तोड़ा ना, I've packed all of that glass into both these नायका अमेज़ॉन के बॉक्सेस, एंड उस पर मैंने मेंशन किया हुआ है कि टूटा हुआ कांच अंदर है, ब्रोकन ग्लास इनसाइड, सो दैट whoever comes across these boxes he gets to know, like the garbage people, the sanitary guys, they gets to know कि अंदर ब्रोकन ग्लास है. एंड अगर आप लूज छोड़ते हैं, like you know, if you discard your broken glass, shattered glass loose in the garbage, that might hurt so many stray animals, because they keep looking for like you know their food in the garbage. And even the sanitary guys, उनको भी hurt हो सकता है and bleed हो सकता है. So please, if you do not follow this practice already, please adopt this little tiny thoughtful practice for the sake of those sanitary guys, and especially the poor innocent animals. So yeah, this is something I wanted to show you. Abhi I'm just gonna open one of the boxes and add this broken glass, this broken straw also to the box.
Of course I'm here, sister. I'll never miss such an important day for you and I.
How very today is a fire luster.
Mm-hmm.